Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Oh my gosh, we have a midweek haul. Walgreens, Family Dollar, and Dollar General. So we're just going to recap a couple of the Walgreens deals that are my favorite this week. I know a lot of us have that spend 60, get back 12 and huge out of pocket. So just looking at some cheaper deals over at Walgreens right off the bat. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, would really help me out and it would make my Wednesday. If you could just take a quick second and like the video, it really helps me out. Okay, first deal we're talking about is a two-part deal. We're going to get two of these Garnier Fructis as our first transaction. And we have this digital coupon that's attaching to either the shampoo or the styler. So you can get like a mousse or a hairspray included. So pretty nice stuff. 2 for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, with that register reward in hand, you're going to do a second transaction that's going to include 2 of the Dove shampoos, and then you're going to load this 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So 2 of those Doves is $8, subtracting your digital coupon, and then you're going to throw in that register reward from transaction 1 into transaction 2. You're going to pay the tax and then get back $5 in Walgreens cash. If you look at the balance from the first to the second transaction, you're getting 4 bottles of shampoo for free. What is this pharmacy? It's Candyland. Hang on to your receipt for transaction 2 for the Dove and go to your Fetch Rewards account. They have a progressive of spend 30, get back 5, or it might be spend 20, get back 4, whatever you might have. It's going to be $8 towards that, so it's a little something. I love the Fetch Rewards app. And the skincare aisle specifically, tons and tons on clearance, including this Neutrogena. It's a body wash that was $14.99 down to $3.99. We have a $3.50 off digital coupon, making this guy 49 cents. I do have some weird body acne. I don't know. It's too much info. But I tried this a couple days ago and, just sometimes from bug bites and stuff like that itching, this really calmed it down. So do love this product. It's really fantastic. So now we're at Family Dollar, a store I really don't shop at. And yesterday, like in the afternoon, I was seeing a bunch of stuff for a penny in the app. And I kind of told you guys that if you go to the store and really you have to ask very nicely the cashier or manager, like, hey, could I buy this for 50 cents? Could I buy this for $1 if I buy all of it? They might modify it or they might say no. Now I'm going to let you guys know because in yesterday's video, I was like, hey, this is like, not a given, but it's worth definitely pursuing if you like taking a risk or you're a great talker. And some of you actually got a bunch of stuff for $1 or 50 cents. And a lot of you were sharing your tactics and stuff. So like, awesome guys. One lady asked the manager and the manager just gave her one for free. So that's really awesome. I did go to 2 different stores. I looked through everything and I could not find a single penny item. So everything was removed off of the floor. But for a lot of you that are scoring big, hey, that's awesome. First deal we're going to talk about is a freebie. It's these old bottles of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner. At my store, they were $2.25 each. We have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon. It reduces down to the cost, so you're going to get these 2 massive bottles for free, and they were on clearance for $2.25 a pop, so 2 of them is $4.50. And that $6 coupon goes right down to $4.50, so it makes it a little freebie. If you open up the app and there's a little scanner, you can scan different items to see the digital coupons that are attaching. So that's exactly what I did yesterday. The much smaller bottles that were also in the clearance section were not attaching with that digital coupon. So please pay attention, guys. Another freebie that I found is this little toothpaste for $2. And we have a $2 digital coupon and it just made it completely for free. It doesn't expire till November, and sometimes when you're traveling a lot, these harder containers travel a little bit better. So I'm happy about that. The next deal we have is for 25 cents, either the men's 10 count of the Gillette or the Simply Venus, these disposable razors. They are $3.25 or $3.35 depending where you're living. We have a $3 digital coupon, so it'll make it 25 cents or 35 cents where you live. And this is the one that you have to load, and it's attaching. I know there's also travel size for both of those razors. It would make it a little freebie, but I'd rather have a bag of like 10 razors. Now we have this 70-cent Febreze car clip. We have that $2.30 digital coupon. It's $3 on clearance, so it makes it 70 cents after everything is said and done. So you know what? If you have a couple minutes and you want to go to your Family Dollar and open up the app and scan a bunch of barcodes, do a couple of these deals and root around and see what you might be able to find, totally worth your time. I absolutely adore the free items the most. But definitely worth rooting around the store and seeing what they have. I love free stuff. Okay, now we're at the Dollar General, and we're going to show you a quick little deal for, I have a 3 off a 10 for Gain, and it's an any day deal. So I grabbed one of these Clean Freaks, and it says buy one, get one free. It's the 6 off 2 digital coupon that's allowing that promotion. And then I also found one of these older bottles for $4 at some stores, $4.25 at smaller stores. So just to show you, I have the $4.25 Mr. Clean, and then my $6 Clean Freak. So for the receipt I'm going to show you, it's $10.25, but most of you it'll probably be $10 on the nose. And then we have a 3 off 10. That's selected accounts that'll have that digital store coupon, and then the 6 off a 2. That's $9 melting off. You're going to pay $1 for the 2 products, or 50 cents each. So, I'm going to be perfectly honest with you guys. I tried to use the 3 off 10 with a 5 off 25 last weekend at a non-updated store. Checked my math 6,000 times. I could not get the 2 coupons to attach properly. I don't know what I did wrong. I know a lot of you are having the same issue, so that's why I'm doing these smaller baskets, because I'm not paying $7 or $8 for this stuff. To show you my receipt right here, it is with the $4.25 cleaner, it's $1.25. So yes, this is in fact working, and I did this at a non-updated store. Any issues that you might have also, you can always void the transaction. Oh, I forgot my wallet in my car. I'm going to go get it. I'm not paying like $7, $8, $11 because a coupon's not attaching. If you track the math and it's supposed to work, I don't know why some of this stuff isn't working. If you could let me know in the comments down below if you've been trying to do like a 5 off 20 Gain with the 5 off 25 and it's not working. I was shocked because I tried 2 different times and it wasn't working. So some stuff is going on. So check this out. Somebody left 3 of these here, and I think they're a penny. Okay, guys, it's from yesterday's penny list. I'm just going to show you some of the stuff that I found, including 3 of these Hanes face masks. They were right on a shelf, and here are the UPCs. Also, Geeky Banana Save sent me a message earlier this morning saying that Brown Dot has in fact reset. So if you've been like searching for those brown dots, according to her sources, it has reset to full price. And then this is the new thing that it's this purple clover, certain items. It's mostly the dollar stuff. And I did find quite a few little nuggets. So I was very, very happy with this haul. It was like 21 items or 23 items. It was pretty awesome. So anything with this purple clover, open up the Dollar General app and scan. Penny's a fantastic price point, and it's this just everything that nobody wanted, including this pot handle cover. Interesting. I guess if you're making like canning stuff, that would probably be a really good thing, so you're not burning your fingertips. I found 3 of these, which are the baskets, so that was a super find. And here's the UPC. And then in the regular aisle where they have like all the little placemats and stuff, an employee had actually stuffed these in there, which are placemats. And I found 4 of them, so I was really delighted with that. And yeah, so if you're out and about doing 5 off 25s or Gain deals, definitely try and find these pennies. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.